Good morning, y'all. All right, now it's time for a late morning vlog. I done my early morning vlog. Now I'm gonna do my late morning vlog. Uh, oh man, I hate them commercials. All right, all right. So I can't stand them commercials like that. All right. So it's time for a late morning vlog. All right, now I'm about to show you the sun. Okay, the sun is shining, huh, y'all? Am I blinding y'all with the sun? I'm so sorry, y'all, that I'm blinding y'all with the sun. All right, I'll put the camera at the sun for like few seconds. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, y'all, for blinding y'all like that. I mean, when you stand in the shade, it's cold. When you stand in the sun, it's hot. You know. Well, these flowers. Can y'all see them flowers? Yep. But these flowers don't bloom. Mosquitoes or whatever. Yep. Yeah, my friend Flower. I guess Flower is her nickname. Her flower that blooms in the spring. She's still my flower that blooms in the spring. You know. All right. Y'all staring at the sun again. Yep. Stare at the sun, y'all. Okay. Well, I'm not staring at the sun. I got my camera, my eyes behind the camera. Okay. Yeah, that's how I have it like this. Yep. Again. Again. All right, let me stop, y'all. Let me stop. I'm getting on your nerves, huh? Yes, I'm definitely getting on your nerves. Okay. Yep. Yes, indeed. So, the flowers that bloom in the spring, there's flowers over there that bloom in the spring. Tra-la. Well, those flowers don't bloom. I don't know what kind of flowers they are. Maybe these aren't flowers, you know. I guess they ain't flowers. All right, so anyway, y'all, as I was going to walk over here, all right, so here we go. Stare at the sun again. All right, I'm gonna stand at the sun. All right. So let me just walk around with this late morning vlog. Okay. So as y'all watching the sun and all that. Oh, it's blinding y'all. oh, oh, the sun is blinding y'all, huh? It's blinding me. Yep, it's blinding me. Okay, with the sun behind me and all that. Yep, bloom in the sun. Yeah, that's what it's all about. Flashing sun. Okay. All right. Let's go inside. Okay. Oh, the phone ringing. Who this is, huh? Oh, snap. All right. Let me stop this tape, okay? Stop this live stream. All right. All right, bye.